I don't see Sammy.
Cry warn you, I am serious. Give me Robux, bish.
Hey, that's not nice. Don't say that, or else I'll have to ban you. No swearing. Okay, that's not very nice.
Penis.
What? Okay, hold on. Let me ban this guy. Hold on, dude.
Yo, what's up, bish?
Well, okay. Who keeps donating though? And
You're bad, bish.
Bro, where are they donating that at? All right, there, dude. All right.
Sex is the best.
Hey, dude. These guys literally spend hundreds of dollars donating these messages with weird spellings just so they can have that on the screen, man. Really? So much money. Here, let me blacklist that. Let me blacklist that real quick so that he can't say that anymore.
Sex is best.
Hey! Bobby! 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 Bobby. You're 7 years old, Bobby. Calm down, Bobby. Calm down. All right, look, take a chill pill, Bobby. We're gonna have to just roll with that
really
link.
Good and tasty.
Oh man, dude, this Bobby guy, man, this Bobby guy. Hold on a second. He keeps making another account. I keep banning him, and then he just keeps making another account. I'm just gonna let him go. I'm not gonna run around in circles
fell
after
on the
him.
stairs and split her vagina.
Come on now, dude. We might have to have somebody. Lose, man. Watch me lose.
Up to PewDiePie, my nigga.
Wow. Really, dude? Okay, let me ban that guy. Really, dude? Really, bro? Did he really do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 videos already recorded, and ready to go. I've just been trying to, you know, stay ahead of the curve.
Stinky penis.
Oh, come on now, Grace. That's not very appropriate. Come on, Grace. You know better than that, Grace. Oh, wow, Grace. Don't even. That's not appropriate, Grace. Oh, man. I'm going to call the FBI. Don't laugh at that. Don't encourage her.
Play Midnight Horrors on Roblox.
Don't encourage her. All right, no LOLs. What's going on, dude? There you go.
Are you going to have sex on stream?
Whoa! Okay, who said that? Hold on, I gotta ban him. Hold on. Who said that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Who said that? Oh my gosh, dude. It's something I'm gonna stream at some point. Yeah, for sure.
Which your WF?
What? Oh, really? Really, Pan? Hold on. Let me block him. What is with the amount of trolls, dude?